Click on the link below to get price. The Mongoose Flatrock is a versatile mountain bike designed for those who seek a balance between performance and durability. This model has garnered attention among biking enthusiasts for its sturdy build and thoughtful features, appealing to both novice riders and those with a bit more experience. At first glance, the Mongoose Flatrock presents a robust frame constructed from steel, which provides a solid foundation for various riding conditions. The bike features a classic mountain bike design, ensuring both stability and control on rugged trails or suburban landscapes. The frame's geometry is optimized for comfort, allowing riders to maintain an upright position while navigating different terrains. One of the standout features of the Mongoose Flatrock is its suspension system. The bike is equipped with a front fork suspension that helps absorb shocks and bumps encountered during rides. This is particularly beneficial when traversing uneven surfaces, as it contributes to a smoother and more enjoyable ride. The bike also has 20-inch wheels that enhance agility, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces or while climbing. The gear system on the Mongoose Flatrock comprises a single-speed setup, which simplifies the riding experience. This design choice can be ideal for urban commuting or flat trails, as it reduces the complexity of shifting gears while still offering reliable performance. The bike's linear pull brakes provide consistent stopping power, which is essential for safety, particularly when navigating downhill paths or sudden stops. In terms of usage, the Mongoose Flatrock is well suited for a variety of riders. Whether you're cycling through city parks, tackling trails, or cruising down the street, this bike can handle it all with relative ease. The seat is adjustable, allowing users to find their preferred height for comfort during longer rides. Additionally, the bike's overall weight is manageable, which can be advantageous for carrying or transporting. To conclude, the Mongoose Flatrock serves as a practical choice for those looking to explore biking, whether for leisure or light commuting. With its solid construction, user-friendly features, and adaptable design, it stands out as a reliable option in the realm of entry-level mountain bikes. As always, potential users should consider their specific needs and riding style to determine if this model aligns with their biking goals.